Hello everybody, welcome back. We're going to start with editing groups and probably make a dining room table. Dining room table is going to be a rectangle, so let's start with a rectangle. We can draw a shape of a rectangle, looks like the size of the table, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to push it up to what would be the height of the table. Maybe that high. Nope. Let's go a little bit higher. And then I'll push the bottom up also and get it above the table. I don't think the table needs to be that long. Maybe I'll push the sides in. I'm going to leave a little bit of room on the outsides though. And I'm going to do exactly what I did with the chairs. What did I do with the chairs? I clicked on the arrow key. I triple clicked my table, right clicked, and said make group. All right, now here's what's new about grouping. If I want to change something to the chair, I have to double click on it. So you can edit inside it. Ready? I double click and look at how everything else is grayed out, and there's a little dotted box that surrounds the table. All right, let's make some legs. A couple of ways to do legs. Probably the rectangle tool would be fine. I would click on the bottom of it with a rectangle tool and drag to the corner. You could also click on the corner and drag away. Now I have two. This is really neat. I'm going to push this guy down until it matches up. I'm going to click on that once, and I'm going to move my cursor to the bottom of one of the chairs. So that's telling the computer you want the length of that push pull the same depth as the bottom of the chair so it looks equal. And go ahead and do that again. And then repeat it on the other side. 1, 2. There we go. And now we have a table. Nice and simple, not too complicated. And I think what should come next is putting stuff on the table. Or, oh, let's go. Let's put 6 chairs in. Here's a review. Click on an object. Click on the move command and move the chair. But as you're moving it, tap Control on your keyboard. Drag it out. Move your cursor to the top of the chair until you can see those red dots. Click on the red dot and rotate it. Use the move command, move your chair, tap Control, and use the rotate tool again. Now what I should do is probably what everybody doesn't do, and that's push your chairs in at the end of the meal. Okay, this chair's hitting. Now we have our table all set and done. Table and chairs. All right, save your work often and get to this point.